What is up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I've got an exciting one. I'm collaborating with Tony from Tony TechTonicByte. Now he reviews tech and please go and check him out, his videos are really good, the link will be in the description. But for now, let's get into it.
Hey guys, I'm Tony from TechTonicByte and I generally review consumer technology, but I really love researching and talking about camera gear. So I'd like to share a couple items that I think would suit any YouTuber or content creator very well. So the first item I wanted to talk about is the Samsung MK10 boom stand, and this boom stand is really good because it's about $20, so it's pretty cheap, and it also includes a mic clip. In order to capture cleaner audio with minimal hissing, you'll have to turn down the internal preamps of the camera to around -12 decibels. However, if you do this, the audio will be incredibly quiet, so to compensate for this, you're going to need a boom stand to bring the mic closer to the subject. I connect the Rode VideoMicro straight to the camera using a very long cable, but you could just use an extension cable. Using this setup, I've been able to capture much cleaner audio than before, and if you go look at my previous videos, you can see that a ton of them have a ton of echo and it just sounds horrible. There's a ton of echo in this room, but with the internal preamps all the way down and the mic close to my mouth but still out of frame, you can't notice the echo that much. Audio is super important in video, and it's one of the first things that I notice along with many other viewers, so you should definitely not skimp out on audio.
The first piece of tech I want to talk about is the Rode VideoMicro. Now this is a great little hot shoe microphone that plugs into your aux port on your DSLR. What you want to do though before buying it is just make sure you actually do have an aux port on your DSLR, because it'd be a shame if you bought it and it didn't actually plug in. Now it comes in around £50 or $65 for you people in America, and for the money it's pretty good. It has a really nice sturdy metal body, and the cable and everything about it feels really good quality. In the box you get the microphone itself, the cable, and even a dead cat to block out the wind. And ever since I've started using it, I've noticed a significant increase in the quality of my videos, and yeah, I just really recommend it for anybody starting out on YouTube.
So the second thing I want to talk about is a pack of Bongo Ties. And Bongo Ties are essentially black rubber bands tied to a bamboo anchor, and this basically allows you to tie together pieces of gear to stands and poles where it would be difficult to tie gear to. So they're different from rubber bands because it's a lot easier to secure things with the bamboo on the band, which is basically why people buy these Bongo Ties. I find these ties extremely useful for mounting my Zoom H1 recorder to the boom stand to monitor my audio with headphones, since my camera does not have a headphone jack. This is extremely effective because I can secure my Zoom H1 by tying the Bongo Ties, and the bamboo anchor helps a lot with securing it. Overall, these Bongo Ties are probably one of the most useful things you'll ever use as a video creator, and even if you don't need them now, you'll probably need them in the future if you collect more gear like I do.
The second thing I want to talk about is a GorillaPod. Now, a GorillaPod is basically a tripod, but a really, really good portable tripod. Now, I have here the GorillaPod Hybrid, but you can get smaller ones or bigger ones depending on what camera you're going to use. I would recommend, if you're using anything bigger than a normal DSLR, to get the GorillaPod SLR or the GorillaPod Focus, just because anything smaller than that and it will probably fall over. But basically, it's a portable bendable tripod which you can take around with you, you can shove in your backpack. It's great for time lapses, anything like that. And yeah, it's really good for any beginner YouTubers, again.
The last item I want to talk about is an ND filter, and I use this ND filter all the time when I shoot outside because it essentially allows you to record video at a lower f-stop to get a shallower depth of field or a blurrier background in bright daylight, while allowing you to maintain the same shutter speed. So it kind of seems complicated, but it's basically sunglasses for your lens. It prevents overexposure in daylight, and it's essential for all outdoor video creators and vloggers. If you do decide to pick one up, make sure that you check the filter thread size to get the proper size filter for your lens.
Now, the last thing I want to talk about is lighting. I don't have a specific model to talk about, but I just want to emphasize how important lighting is if you're making YouTube videos. Now here I have a big softbox, as you can see, and you can buy these on Amazon for about £20 or about $30, and obviously you can buy more expensive ones, and you can even buy really expensive LED panels. But if you're just starting out on YouTube, I would just recommend getting yourself a standard softbox, and you can even get a couple, whatever. If you film indoor studio type videos like me, I would definitely recommend them, just because you can see it helps upgrade the quality of your video a lot.
So that's about all the items I have to show you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to check out my channel, and thank you for watching.
Once again, thank you very much to Tony for making this video with me. I really appreciate the time and effort you've put into it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you. Goodbye.